Hello and welcome back to Spice Box. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make corn Schezwan fried rice. Now I know a lot of us like to dine outside, and for the rice lovers, they like trying different kinds and flavors of rice. And this one that I'm going to be showing you is so simple and easy that you could try preparing this at home. So let's get started. To make your corn Schezwan fried rice, you will need steamed rice, boiled corn, spring onion whites, capsicum, Schezwan sauce, black pepper powder, spring onion greens, salt, garlic cloves and vinegar. In a large skillet, you can start heating oil. You wait until the oil is hot. Once the oil is hot, you can start putting in the garlic cloves. You saute this till fragrant. Now you can toss in the spring onion whites. You fry these onions till they're translucent. Now you can toss in the capsicum. You stir fry this for a couple of minutes. Now you can toss in the corn kernels. To this you add the Schezwan sauce. So I've used 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. You give this a good stir. Followed by the pepper powder. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And finally, you can add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Cook this on low flame for 2 minutes before you add the rice. So you can now season this with salt before you add the rice. Now you can toss in the rice. So make sure that you have the steamed rice which is single like this so that it does not clump. Very gently you stir this. So here we have our beautiful, delicious corn Schezwan fried rice ready. You can now serve this and garnish it with some spring onions. Now what I like about this rice is you don't need any accompaniment with this. It just tastes great the way it is. And this definitely will be a hit amongst vegans and vegetarians.